In this video, I'm going to show you how to record multiple audio tracks in OBS Studio for editing. So if you want to be able to record your audio such as your microphone and also the desktop sounds on your computer, then I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first click on the settings window, click on output in the left hand side, make sure the output mode is set to advanced, and then click on recording. Now for the recording format, you need to set this to MKV. Now scroll down to the audio track and select how many tracks you want to record. So I'm going to be recording my microphone and I also want to record my desktop sounds, so I'm going to select 2 tracks. Now press apply and OK. Now come down to your audio mixer and click on the 3 vertical dots next to one of your devices. Click on advanced audio properties. Now you need to go and select the tracks that you want to record each of your audio devices on. Now you need to make sure that only one track is selected for each of your devices. So because I'm going to be recording my desktop audio, I'm going to have this on track number 1, and for my microphone I'm going to set this onto track number 2. Once you've done this, you can close out of the window. Now just make sure the sliders are turned up for both your desktop audio and also your microphone. Now of course you can also record other things here such as your gameplay, and you can now begin recording, and each of your audio tracks are going to be separated individually. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.